Hello and welcome to the Kraken Bitcoin Exchange Sign Up and Getting Started tutorial, brought to you by Cryptocurrency Enterprises. The first step is to create your account. Click the link below to get started. If you heard about Kraken from a friend, please use their referral link when signing up. Now that you're on the Kraken website, simply enter your email, create a username, create a password, click that you're not a robot, read the terms of service and privacy policy, and then check that box, and then click sign up. You'll now receive an email from Kraken. In the email, there'll be an activation key. Copy and paste the activation key into here, enter your password, click that you're not a robot, and activate your account. Now that you've logged into your Kraken account, you'll be on your dashboard. Here, up the top you can see your account, charts, and a help section. In the help section you've got support, frequently asked questions, a trading guide, fees, security, and contact. To your right you have your profile. You can see trade, deposit, withdrawal, security, settings, history, and get verified. You also have a log out button at the bottom. Back to the left, just here you've got a trade, funding, security, settings, history, getting verified, Mt. Gox claim. You can see we're now on the overview page. You have new order, orders, positions, and trades. You can see balances and rates. All your different trade balances down here. Balance, equity, use margin, free margin, margin level. And to your right, you have position valuation, opening costs, current valuation, profit and loss. As you scroll down, you'll have your ledger with your ID, the date, type, currency, amount, fees, and the balance. And down the bottom in the footer you can see a log out button, about Kraken, careers, press, contact, legal and privacy documents, and security. To the right you have resources, frequently asked questions, charts, blog, fees, support, trading guide, API, PGP key, audit, and a bug bounty. To the right you can select your language. And below that you can connect with Kraken's social media via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and GitHub. So first, you're going to need to get verified. Click up the top, get verified. Getting verified. Kraken requires additional user information before any deposits or withdrawals can be made in order to meet KYC and AML legal requirements. There are multiple levels of funding limits, each with increasing amounts of deposit and withdrawal limits. Here you can see the tier level, the daily limits, monthly limits, margin, requirements, and the status. You can see there's 4 tiers of verification, and it's really easy. Just choose your tier and submit the forms below. Note that you'll have to start with tier 1 and work your way up. Now that your account's verified, let's go through the platform a bit more. In your account, you can see balances, trade balances, your rates, and position valuation. Scroll down, you can see the ledger ID, the date, type, currency, amount, fee, and balance. Next, we'll look at charts. In this section, at the very top, you can see different currency pairs. XBT is Bitcoin. So let's look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, a currency pair. We can see charts here. We can click on that little icon. We can bring up bigger charts, more details, more features. Here you can see the currency pair. You can check here for different times, for the last minute, 30 minutes, 1 day, and time intervals. Next you have bars. Beside that, you have candles, area, here you can add different bars and candles, etc. Next is all your different for technical analysis, fundamentals, and economy and symbols. When you scroll with your mouse across the chart, you can see up the top here the different prices, the high, the low. Back to Kraken, you can see all the recent trades for that currency pair, the time, the order, whether it was a buy or sell, the price, and the volume. Scroll down, you can see the depth of the market for that currency pair, for sellers and buyers. See an order book here for the buying and selling. Next is the help section. Support. In the help and support section, they have everything you need to know for getting started, verification, fiat currency funding, digital assets funding, security, trading, the help center, and then it's all broken down some more for you. It's a very good help center. Very detailed. It's probably one of the best help centers I've come across. Like we always recommend, that you thoroughly go through the help and support section so you get a really good understanding on how the platform works and operates, so you can use that to your advantage. If there's something you can't find in the help and support, you can always search for it or submit a request. Next is frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions. Kraken gets these questions all the time, so I thought it would be a good idea to put them all into one place. Below is a list of the most common frequently asked questions. Go through and check them out for yourself. Next, we'll look at the trading guide. Trading. Browse the sections below or use the search bar to find what you're looking for. See also the Kraken Help Center for answers to many trading questions. Click Kraken Customer Support above to navigate back to the Kraken Help Center. To make a support request, click on the Submit a Request above. Here, you'll find tons and tons of information on trading. Take the time to go through each section in detail so you have a really good understanding on how to trade before putting your real money on the line. Next, we'll look at fees. Fee schedule. Listed below are the fee schedules, margin, and leverage info for the currency pairs available for trading on Kraken. Take the time to go through the fees section so you have a good understanding on what the fees are and how they apply to your account. Next, we'll look at security. You're in the best hands with Kraken. They always maintain the utmost security measures and their track record shows that. Read below so you have better peace of mind when dealing with Kraken. There's information about their security, their coin storage, user account security, security system, financial security, and legal compliance. Next is contact. To make contact with Kraken customer support, simply choose your reason why. Enter your details and click submit. Now, let's take a look at making a deposit. To make a deposit, simply choose the currency you'd like to deposit. Acknowledge that Kraken is not responsible for any coins sent to the wrong address. Next, generate new address. You've now generated a wallet address to send your funds to. You can select the address or copy it by clicking this button here. You can manually copy and paste it, or you can get the QR code. Next is trade. To trade on Kraken, simply choose your currency pair. You can go new order. You have simple, intermediate, and for advanced users. So today we'll do the simple. Here you can choose whether to buy or sell, the amount, and the price in Bitcoin. So we want to buy Ether, 0.1 of Ether without Bitcoin at market, and that's going to cost us 0.00056 Bitcoin. After checking to make sure our trade is correct, we would click the green button here to buy. Sell is pretty much the same. Next, you have your orders. In this section here, you'll be able to see all your new and open orders and all your closed orders. The next section is your positions. Once again, you'll be able to see all your open positions, the order, order type, the pair, average price, open volume, cost, leverage. Next, you can see trades. You've got to see all your trade, executed, order type, the pair, price, volume, cost. Everything you need to know, guys, lies right here in this section. The help and support, frequently asked questions, the trading guide, the fees. Like I said earlier, Kraken has one of the best help and support, frequently asked questions features I've seen on trading platforms so far. That concludes the Kraken sign up and getting started tutorial. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our website, and like our Facebook page.